Greetings, weather enthusiasts. Welcome to Tornado Extreme. This is the place to satisfy your curiosity about the world's most awe-inspiring weather phenomena. From towering twisters to mesmerizing monsoons, we've got it all. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of green sky tornadoes. Have you ever witnessed a green sky and wondered what it could mean? Imagine you're looking up at the sky and instead of the usual blue, it's shifted to an eerie green. This phenomenon is not a signal for aliens or a harbinger of the apocalypse, but rather a potential precursor to severe weather events. When the sky turns a greenish hue, it often means that a thunderstorm is brewing. This is especially true if the green sky is seen in the west or northwest direction, where weather systems generally move in from. An even more ominous sign is when this green sky is associated with a sudden drop in temperature, as it often precedes a tornado. It's a unique natural event that, while beautiful, should not be taken lightly. It's nature's way of warning us of potential danger. But what exactly causes these green skies? Let's delve into the science behind it. The science behind green sky tornadoes is both fascinating and complex. The formation of a green sky tornado begins with the storm cloud. The heavier and denser the cloud, the deeper the color. This is due to the amount of water vapor and hail inside the cloud which absorbs the sunlight, creating a shadowing effect that darkens the sky. The depth of these storm clouds can be so great that they block out nearly all sunlight. But what about the green color? This is where the scattering of light comes into play. The sunlight that manages to penetrate the dense cloud is refracted, or bent, and scattered in all directions. The sunlight, composed of a spectrum of colors, is affected differently depending on the wavelength of each color. The short wavelength colors like blue and violet are scattered more and thus become diffused and less visible. The longer wavelength colors, like red, orange, and yellow, are scattered less, remaining more concentrated and visible. Yet we don't see a red or orange sky, we see a green one. This is where color mixing enters our scientific stage. The remaining sunlight is mainly composed of blue and green light waves. However, remember that those storm clouds are heavily laden with water and hail? These particles serve as prisms, bending the remaining sunlight further and resulting in a blending of the blue and yellow light waves. This fusion is what creates the eerie green hue we associate with severe weather and tornadoes. It's important to note that green skies don't always mean a tornado is imminent. They are, however, a strong indicator of severe weather. The combination of a deep, dark storm cloud and the refracted, scattered, and blended light all contribute to this atmospheric spectacle. So now you know what causes these mesmerizing green skies. But what should you do if you see one? If you encounter a green sky, it's crucial to know how to respond. First and foremost, it's important to remember not to panic. Panicking can lead to hasty decisions that might put you in harm's way. Instead, remain calm and think clearly about the best course of action. Now, let's talk about what that action should be. If you're outdoors and you notice the sky turning a surreal shade of green, your immediate priority should be to seek shelter. Look for the nearest sturdy building and make your way there as quickly and safely as possible. If you're already indoors, stay there. Move away from windows and doors to avoid any potential flying debris. In urban areas, the situation might be a bit different. Skyscrapers and other tall buildings can disrupt the flow of tornadoes and potentially lead them in unpredictable directions. Therefore, if you're in a city and you see a green sky, you should still seek shelter. But be aware that the safest place may not always be the tallest or most robust-looking building. Remember, green skies can be a sign of severe weather on the horizon, including the possibility of tornadoes. While these events can be fascinating to witness, they can also be extremely dangerous. It's important to respect the power of nature and prioritize your safety above all else. While it's important to appreciate their beauty, your safety is paramount when green skies appear. Green sky tornadoes are not just scientific phenomena. They also carry a rich lore. Throughout history and across cultures, their unique hue has inspired a plethora of myths and folklore. In some cultures, green skies were thought to herald bountiful harvests due to their association with spring and renewal. Conversely, in others, they were seen as omens of catastrophe due to their connection to severe weather. In the heartland of America, where tornadoes are common, there's a saying that, "When the sky turns green, run in between." This refers to the practice of seeking shelter between sturdy structures when a tornado is imminent. The green sky has also found its way into popular culture. For instance, in L. Frank Baum's The Wonderful Wizard of Oz, A green cyclone transports Dorothy from Kansas to the magical land of Oz. This could well be a reference to the green sky tornadoes that are characteristic of Baum's home state. These tales, though varied, all stem from humanity's awe and fear of nature's power. They remind us that while we now understand the science behind these events, we are still captivated by their mystery and beauty. These tales add an intriguing layer to our understanding of green sky tornadoes. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of green sky tornadoes. We've delved into the heart of this surreal phenomenon, uncovering the science behind the mesmerizing green skies and the scattering of light that leads to this color mix. We've also covered the crucial steps to take when you spot a green sky, emphasizing the importance of seeking shelter, especially in urban areas. We touched on the intriguing lore surrounding green sky tornadoes, a testament to the profound impact these events have had on our collective imagination. Each aspect of this phenomenon is as fascinating as the next, sparking endless curiosity and intrigue. We invite you to share your thoughts or personal experiences with green skies in the comments below. We're always eager to hear from fellow weather enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to Tornado Extreme for more fascinating weather phenomena. Visit our website, tornadoextreme.com, and follow us on our social media channels. Until next time, stay safe.